Hi student, let's try to understand the boiling point student that we are going to look into it. Alcohols and phenol have abnormally high boiling point. Both alcohols and phenol contain the hydroxyl group. The OH group is quite polar as it contains the hydrogen attached to the highly electronegative atom, that is the oxygen. Alcohol and phenol have abnormally high boiling point because they are associated liquid as they form the intermolecular hydrogen bond shown by dotted line. Large amount of energy needed to break this intermolecular hydrogen bond. Therefore, therefore, what is going to happen, student? Boiling point going to be increased. So see, student, they are saying both alcohol and phenol contain what, student? Hydroxyl group, and the OH group is quite polar as contain hydrogen attached to highly electronegative atom oxygen. So they are saying OH bond is, this is going to be polar bond, student. This is polar. Alcohol and phenol are abnormally high boiling point because they are associated liquid, means the liquid present together as they form the intermolecular hydrogen bond shown in dotted line. Large amount of energy needed to break these intermolecular bond. So here you can make the alcohol, this is the ROH, student, ROH. It is forming the hydrogen bond with this one, with another alcohol molecule, with another alcohol molecule, intermolecular hydrogen. Similarly, intermolecular bonding in phenol also possible, student. That is why they are having the abnormally high molar mass. Arrange the following set of compound in order of increasing boiling point. Pentane 1 all, this is the, okay, butane 1 all, butane 2 all, ethanol, propane 1 all, methanol, pentane 1 all, butane 1 all, pentane. So they, this is what methanol is there, then ethanol is there, then propanol is there. Boiling point is 65. As the molecular mass increases, the boiling point also increases. Butane 2 all, this is the branch, so its boiling point will be less. Then it is unbranched, boiling point more. So then butane, then it will come pentane 138 degrees C. So increasing order of boiling point, what will be there? A B C D E F. This is now N-butane, ethoxyethane, pentanol, pentane 1 all. So these many are there. So student, increasing order of boiling point, that is alcohol will be high, then it is going to be aldehyde, then it will be ether, then butane. Why is the boiling point of ethanol higher than the methanol? So we are having ethanol and methanol. This is the ethanol and the another is methanol. Okay. Alcohol so increase in boiling point with increase in number of carbon atoms because increase in van der Waals force. So as the size of the carbon increases, number of carbon increases, so boiling point is also going to increase. Alcohol is associated liquid with a boiling point abnormally high for the compound of its size and polarity. Example C, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree alcohol in the order of their increasing boiling point. The boiling point of alcohol decreases with increase in branching of the alkyl chain. So boiling point, it is going to decrease, student, on increasing the boiling. So what is the reason? Alcohol should decrease in boiling point with increase in branching. This is because of the decrease in van der Waals force due to the decrease in the surface area with increase in the branching. So this is the answer, student. This is because decrease in van der Waals forces due to decrease in the surface area with increase in the branching. Solubility. Alcohols are more soluble in water than the hydrocarbon of comparable molecular masses. Alcohols are more soluble in water than hydrocarbon of comparable molecular. Alcohol are soluble in water and other protic solvent because they form intermolecular hydrogen bond to water molecule and other protic solvents. So this is alcohol, here is water, alcohol, water. So they are going to form the intermolecular hydrogen bond. So soluble in water. The low molecular mass alcohol are soluble in water. Lower alcohols are water soluble because the energy required to break hydrogen bonds between the two water molecule or two alcohol molecule is provided by the formation of hydrogen bond between the water molecule and alcohol molecule. That is why they are soluble. In alcohol, this is the alcohol, as the number of N increases 0 to 6, the solubility in water also decreases. Okay, so miscible, lower member miscible in liquid, then higher member solubility 7.9 gram in 100 gram, then 2.3 gram in 100 gram, then 0 point. So as the number of carbon increases, solubility decreases. The OH group constitute a large portion of molecules in the lower member of the dotted series, ethanol series. So these compounds are miscible with water, but as the hydrocarbon part alkyl become larger, it resists the formation of hydrogen between the water molecule, and hence solubility decreases. Ethylene glycol is used as an antifreeze. Ethylene glycol use its antifreeze because of its high boiling point, low freezing point, and high solubility in water. Ethylene glycol and other polyhydroxy compound provide more than the one side per molecule of hydrogen bonding, and their property affect this. This is the water molecule. This is the ethylene glycol water molecule. Phenol has a smaller dipole moment than what is student phenol. The CO bond is slightly stronger than the methanol. So what is the region, student? Here you see methyl group exert the electron repelling index, phenyl group exert electron repelling inductive effect plus I, but phenyl group also exert electron withdrawing effect due to the resonance. So in phenol, electron attracting benzene ring is present, while in methanol, electron releasing methyl group is present. In phenol, electron attracting benzene ring decreases the displacement of electron towards oxygen atom, and so phenol have a smaller dipole moment than methanol. Explain why the solubility increases with the branching among the isomeric alcohol. Why the solubility increases with branching among the iso? Because as the branching increases, the surface area and the non-polar part decreases, and the solubility decreases. Tertiary, then secondary, then isobutyl and n-butyl. So this is the answer, student. Arrange the following in increasing order of their boiling point. Alcohol here is there. This is the again alcohol. This is the phenol. So this is the C2H5OH. This one, then this one, then this one. This is because water solubility increases as the size of hydrocarbon part decreases. Explain why boiling point of propanol greater than the butane, because of unlike butane, propanol intermolecularly hydrogen bonding. So name the factor responsible for solubility of alcohol in water, size of alkyl group, and hydrogen bonding. So this is all about the answer, student. Thank you very much for watching, student. This is the physical properties of